Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. So guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Altruist Dermatologist Sunscreen Spray. So after I did my Altruist Dermatologist Sunscreen review, I got a comment from one of my supporters, Ubami Christiana, and she requested for a video on the Altruist Dermatologist Sunscreen Spray. Not the cream, but the spray. I'm going to be testing this out. You're going to know everything about the sunscreen. Does it leave a white cast? How does it feel on the face? How does it feel with makeup? We're going to know everything about this sunscreen spray. So if you would like to know everything, then keep on watching. So first of all, price. I got this sunscreen for 4,000 naira from Shop with Ticker 4. This sunscreen costs £6.10 from the Altruist website. Now, what are the claims of this sunscreen? Let's see what this sunscreen says it is all about. So this sunscreen has an SPF of 50. It has high UVA and UVB protection. It is a chemical sunscreen. It is fragrance free and it also claims to be water resistant. So guys, to be very honest, this is actually my first time trying out a sunscreen spray. I usually go with sunscreen creams, not spray. You know, when you're using a normal sunscreen, they'll tell you to use 2 fingers worth of sunscreen. Now, what is the appropriate amount for a sunscreen spray? The appropriate amount, according to dermatologists and estheticians, is 3 to 4 passes of sunscreen spray. So do it once, twice, thrice, and 3 times to 4 times. Basically, we're going to be doing 3 passes of this sunscreen and you guys are going to see how well it applies. Well, according to the bottle, it says do not spray directly onto face or inflamed skin. Apply generously and rub it in to ensure even coverage for 20 minutes before going out. So basically they are saying you should apply the sunscreen on your hands, but let's be real guys, you did not buy a sunscreen spray to apply it on your hands. You bought a sunscreen spray to apply it on your face. So I'm going to be applying it on my face. One, let's do the second one, then the third one I will apply it on my hands. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Ooh. My eyes. Oh. Okay, let me apply a little on my hands. I think that's enough. Here is how the sunscreen applies on the face. Now I'm going to show you guys how it applies with makeup. This is the application, as you can see. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons of this sunscreen. Is it worth it? Let me tell you guys my thoughts. This is the sunscreen right here. This is the finish. It does not leave a matte finish at all. It leaves an oily finish, like really oily, just like the cream, but I think this one is even more oily than the normal cream. So this is how you're going to look when you apply this sunscreen. Now let's talk about the pros of this sunscreen. The first pro of this sunscreen is this sunscreen is great for the body. Now if you want your skin on the body to have a sheen, to have a glow, this sunscreen is for you, because guys, look at my face. My face is glowing, so this is going to be perfect if you want your skin to be glowing. So this is a good sunscreen for the body. Yeah, it's good for the body, not the face. No, let me not talk about the cons yet. So it's good for the body because of the sheen. Like guys, look at this. Like, just look at how shiny my hands look. Can you see? So it's really good for the body. Now the next pro of this sunscreen is this sunscreen does not leave a white cast, like no white cast whatsoever. You don't have to do any extra work in blending it in, because you guys saw it, there was no single white cast. You know, usually when you have your sunscreen cream, you would have to be blending, but this one you don't have to blend. You just apply and you're good to go. Next pro is that this sunscreen is at a fair price. You're getting this sunscreen for 4,000 naira or 6.1 pounds, which I think is a fair price because of the amount you're going to be getting. So the next pro is that this sunscreen is a good amount. This sunscreen is 200 ml. Typically your sunscreen creams, like the sunscreen cream equivalent of this, the cream equivalent of this is 100 ml, while this one is 200 ml. So this is more than the cream, but you have to still consider that this is a spray. So once you spray it, it kind of wastes, like some of the product would go away to dissipate into the air, so you're not going to be getting the complete 200 ml worth of product because it's always going to escape while you are spraying it. But if you do it the right way, which is recommended by them, by placing it on your hands, ooh, some still goes, but you're not going to lose too much of the sunscreen if you do it that way. But I'm assuming that you're buying a sunscreen spray because of the convenience of a spray. If you apply directly on your hands, you're going to save more product. But if you're applying it on your face, which they don't even recommend, you're going to be losing a lot of product. But 200 ml is fair. So it's up to you to decide what's a spray for you. Let's talk about the cons of the sunscreen. Believe you me, I have a lot of cons. You guys know this oily finish is a con for me, but that is personal preference, so I decided to do it separately and show you guys this is the finish. Do you like it? If you don't like it, leave it. If you like it, stay with it. Now that's not even the problem with this sunscreen. First con I have with this sunscreen is not just this sunscreen I have a problem with. I have a problem with all sunscreen sprays. Now when you buy a sunscreen spray or this sunscreen spray, you will not be able to know the appropriate amount of sunscreen to wear on your face. You know, when you're using your cream, you just apply 1, 2, you know, okay, you've adequately covered your face. But with the sunscreen spray, they say 3 to 4 passes, but that 3 to 4 passes, it will still, you still lose product, so you can't really know if you're applying the right amount and getting good protection. So that's a con for me. It's not just about the spray, it's about all other sunscreen sprays. Second con is that this sunscreen spray is not good for makeup reapplication. You know, when you think of a spray, you think of something that's going to refresh you. Well, that's me personally. So when I applied it on my makeup, it made my makeup oily. Like I could literally touch my face and the makeup will start to come out. That was how bad it was. So this sunscreen is not good for makeup reapplication. One reason why I also bought this sunscreen was because I felt like, okay, since it's a spray, when I apply makeup, it will be easy for me to apply sunscreen on top of my makeup or to apply the sunscreen as I go about my day to reapply it. But no, this is not good for makeup reapplication. Don't even try it because your makeup is going to be so oily and you're not going to like it at all. Another thing you need to take note of this sunscreen and all of that sunscreen sprays, that you don't want to inhale it. If you are using it every day, you need to try as much as possible not to inhale the fumes because it might be dangerous for your lungs. I don't know, but something about the fumes just doesn't sit right with me. And secondly, because it's an aerosol container, it is flammable. So when you are spraying it on your face or when you're going about your day, you need to be careful not to spray it where someone is actually lighting fire and stuff. So that's just a safety precaution. You know, it's not just about this spray, it's about all sprays in general. Now, what are my final thoughts on the Altruist Dermatology sunscreen? Would I be repurchasing this sunscreen again? Guys, the answer is no. I do not like the sunscreen spray at all. I mean, between the sunscreen spray and the normal sunscreen, which which I have done a review on before, I would take the cream over the spray a million times over. Guys, this finish is literally not it. When I was spraying into my eyes, it started to hurt my eyes. It's just not convenient for me. I don't see myself using this sunscreen ever again, guys. This is one of those sunscreens that I would definitely not be recommending. But if you look through the pros and you see the pros are okay for you, then you can definitely purchase it. But me, I don't like the sunscreen at all. The finish is not nice. The fact that it's so oily, this was not it for me, unfortunately. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a thing or two. Let me know in the comment section, would you be purchasing this sunscreen? Let me know in the comment section. And have you tried this sunscreen spray before? What are your thoughts on this sunscreen spray and sunscreen sprays in general? I don't know if this oiliness is the same thing for all other sunscreen sprays. Who knows? I'll try as the day goes by, but for now, this sunscreen spray is a no for me. Guys, I got this sunscreen spray from Shop with Ticker 4 if you want to get it. But if you guys want me to get any sunscreen or skincare products for you, if you're in Nigeria, send me a message on Instagram. With a very small fee, I'm going to help you to source any skincare products you are looking for. So send me a message on Instagram if you want to get any skincare products, if you want the original, and that's what I'm gonna give you. So guys, you saw that this video was a video idea from one of my supporters. So if you have any video ideas, leave it in the comment section below, or if you guys want me to review any other sunscreen or any other skincare product, leave it in the comment section below and I'm gonna deliver it for you guys. You can see my eyes are twitching, it's because of the sunscreen. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, all Mathildaduku. If you enjoyed this video, then I'm sure you're going to enjoy my other Altruist dermatologist video where I talked about the cream version of this sunscreen right here. But if you want to know about other sunscreens you can try on, then you can check out my playlist right here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys. My eyes are burning me, guys. This is what I do for you. This is what I do for you. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.